Why are you even wearing the hijab? You're still young. You look so much prettier without it. It makes you look older than you are. Just enjoy your life.
In Islam, the hijab is a great means of preserving modesty and protecting dignity. It is a shield that safeguards a woman and honors her, making her valued and respected. The hijab helps shape a Muslim woman's identity and sets her apart with dignity. It reflects her belonging to her faith and her pride in its values. Wearing the hijab in Islam is not just an obligation. It is a door to great reward prepared by Allah for the Muslim woman. Every step she takes while observing it, the sincere intention for Allah, is recorded in her scale of good deeds. The hijab is a great act of worship that brings a woman closer to her Lord, as it reflects her obedience and submission to Allah's command. The more she commits to modesty, according to the Islamic guidelines, the closer she becomes to attaining Allah's pleasure and reward. In Islam, the hijab is more than just clothing. It is a symbol of modesty, a mark of dignity, and an act of devotion through which a Muslim woman worships her Lord. The hijab is an obligation upon every adult, sane Muslim woman. Whoever abandons it steps outside obedience to Allah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. My hijab is my dignity, and I will never give it up. Put Allah's pleasure and obedience before people's approval, and know that people's opinions never end. A wise girl seeks the pleasure of Allah, even if others are displeased. And when Allah is pleased with someone, He turns people's hearts toward her. So don't hesitate. Stay steadfast, pray, and seek forgiveness. Know that you will succeed and be rewarded. Be mindful of Allah, be patient, keep the company of the righteous, and have glad tidings.